Football lovers, welcome to my film news. On my channel, I will keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are reportedly lining up a late swing former Mamelodi Sundowns starlet Kesson Mailula. Amakosi are moving with the agents behind the scenes to bolster their front line, and Mailula's name has jumped to the top of their wish list as they aim to sharpen their firepower for the next season. The Gomera boys are looking to repeat with a new hunger and sneaking a proven young finisher like Kessel Melulia, who could be the snack they desperately need. For more Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs.